You guys, I lied. I didn't finish the cosmetics on Sampo. So my brother-in-law actually does clear shields, and they actually protect and heal paint. So I'm gonna have him do that on the roof, so that all the work that I put into it isn't just gonna go to waste. Also, I decided to not repaint the door, and I'm just gonna replace the door with another used one that has paint in a better condition than this. That will save me time, and it will save me a little bit of money. Before taking Sampo in for the clear shield, I'm taking back as many scratches as I can by polishing one last time.
Paint protection film is a clear film that is a barrier between your car and the outside world. It's the best form of protection you can get for a car if you want to keep it nice. So we're going to be putting paint protection film on Grayson's car today because he just got the roof repainted and he wants to make sure that it stays looking as good as it can over time. And also any little imperfections in the paint, little faint scratches, there's water spots or some residual something, we don't really know what it is, but the clear shield will hopefully make that less conspicuous and cover a lot of that up. That's why we're going to be putting it on Grayson's car today. All right. Trim it a little bit. You can kind of see these wrinkles, I call them fingers. So we want to stretch across. By the way, if you can hear that squeak in the video, that's the sound you want to hear if you're cutting, because it means it's pinching the blade and not going all the way through. There'll be more where that came from too. I'm pretty happy with it. I think Grayson is too. I knew it wouldn't be perfect. Not that I don't have confidence in Grayson's skill of painting, but you know, if you're not in a nice paint shop with all the nice tools, you can't get a perfect paint job. I know my installation is not perfect, but I hope he can see past that. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I think it, gloss-wise, it worked the way I wanted it to. It definitely made the color a lot more deep, and it removed a lot of what we were talking about earlier, which was, you know, any of those water spots that we were looking at. So yeah, overall, I think I'm pretty happy with how it turned out, and hopefully in the future I can do some more work on the car. Yeah.
I've been looking for used GT doors for months now, and the closest one I was able to find was about 7.5 hours away in Colorado. We did make it through the night, and we picked up the door the next morning. New used door on, Sampo is looking at least 10 years younger. And with that, this cosmetic refresh is done. I couldn't be happier with how this turned out. It seriously looks so good. It just, the color, you can't even tell the difference. It looks amazing. While it isn't perfect, most of the major cosmetic issues have been taken care of and it looks much better. While the exterior is looking really good, I can't say the same thing about the interior. Quite dirty, needs some detailing, some little bits and pieces are missing, and it'd be great to replace those and just get it a lot more comfortable and a lot more functional. I'll work on a detail and replace missing parts sometime in the future, but for now, I can actually be proud driving Sampo around.
Get some of that sun with the other Tides. Now the Volvo follows closely behind me. I'll kill him.
I'll kill him. I'll drive every Volvo. Look like a good door closing and opening and climbing in.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I just broke that. What? It wasn't even plugged in? What the? I don't even know where the wires are for that. Well. What the heck? This is the wrong